Hello and welcome to COVID-19 Today. I'm your host for the day, Colleen Farrell. It's 4 p.m. on Wednesday, April 15th. If you are new to our show, welcome to COVID-19 Today, where we bring you live daily updates on how this global pandemic is impacting our city, our residents, and our businesses here in Torrance. I invite you to email us at covid19today@torranceca.gov. Tell us how you or someone you know is demonstrating how Torrance cares. The confirmed number of cases of the coronavirus in LA County saw an increase of 450 cases in the last 24 hours, bringing our total to 10,496 and 42 new confirmed deaths, bringing that total to 402 in LA County. Here in Torrance, we also saw a spike in cases over the last 24 hours, with the total number of confirmed cases increasing to 153. COVID-19 testing sites have ramped up enough now that anyone experiencing symptoms could access same or next day testing. Initially, it was restricted to only the most vulnerable, such as seniors and those with underlying conditions. But in the last month, more than 27 test sites have been put in place, with the county's goal of administering 10,000 tests per day. As of yesterday, more than 50,000 people have been tested across LA County, with 11% of those tests coming back positive. Appointments must still be made. Go to covid19.lacounty.org/testing. Providence, Southern California is sharing how they're expanding the use of their N95 masks. Providence is taking part in an innovative disinfection process for the coveted N95 medical masks to ensure their medical staff has the highest level of protection. Providence has been working for weeks to increase access to the N95 masks and also activate local reprocessing centers to support each of the region's 11 hospitals, including the one in Torrance. Health experts have studied numerous reprocessing systems and adopted a method that protects the integrity of the mask while making it germ-free. After the masks are disinfected, they would be returned to the original user. Providence says the disinfection system, along with donations of masks and deliveries ordered months ago, could help ease the limited supply of personal protective equipment. New mandates are in order starting today for the entire county of Los Angeles. In an effort to help slow the transmission of COVID-19, face coverings are now required for all workers at grocery stores, pharmacies, food delivery services, as well as other essential businesses. Employers who operate a food service facility must provide facial coverings for their employees and volunteers. Shoppers must also cover up, or you may get turned away. The measure allows grocery and drug stores to refuse service to any customer not wearing a mask. The city's environmental quality officers are working with local businesses who are operating as an essential business to ensure they are aware and enforcing the new policy. Renters in Los Angeles could see some relief in the near future. The Los Angeles County Board of Supervisors unanimously approved a proposal to create an emergency rent assistance program during the COVID-19 crisis. The program could give renters up to $1,000 per month for 3 months to help those who've lost their jobs or have had reduced incomes recently. While the county has implemented a rent freeze and eviction moratorium to prevent families from losing their homes, the county is providing a way for families to receive rent assistance that wouldn't have to be paid back, preventing families from falling into even worse economic hardship. The county's development authority will report back to the Board of Supervisors with an implementation plan in the next 30 days. Small business owners who haven't tapped into the Payment Protection Program, the forgivable loan created by the Federal CARES Act, could have a new source of funding. The Los Angeles County Board of Supervisors announced the adoption of the LA County COVID-19 Relief Fund, partnering with Goldman Sachs, 10,000 Small Businesses Initiative, and the Community Reinvestment Fund USA. The fund would add $15 million in private capital to small businesses and nonprofits in the county. Early reports indicated that funding for the federal PPP loans may be exhausted nationwide by as early as Friday. A new online application portal opened today at 1 p.m., providing an opportunity for small businesses and nonprofits to apply for PPP loans if they haven't been able to do so through the traditional banking institution. This program provides urgent cash flow and could be partially or completely forgiven for businesses that maintain or rehire their workforce and use the funds for payroll, rent, or utilities. You can go to crfusa.com for more information. As the largest city within the South Bay region, Torrance is hosting an interactive COVID-19 dashboard to share with neighboring South Bay cities. The information on the dashboard will include COVID-19 related information unique to each city, including the number of cases confirmed within each boundary. Small business owners impacted by COVID-19, you'll want to mark your calendars for an important virtual meeting taking place tomorrow. Hosted by the Torrance Area Chamber of Commerce along with the City of Torrance, representatives from federal, county, and city-level officials will be online to provide the most up-to-date information on impacts that could help you survive this health crisis. You must register to join the meeting. Go to torrancechamber.com/forum4biz. Practicing social distancing protocols, Torrance City Council members were able to meet to conduct city business. The Torrance Mayor, along with all 6 City Council members, met through a video conferencing platform and designated the first portion of the meeting as a chance for outgoing council members to say goodbye to colleagues and the community as they step down from their post. Outgoing council members Milton Herring, along with Jeff Rizzo, shared his heartfelt messages. There wasn't a dry eye on the screen as fellow council members, along with the city manager Leroy Jackson, the city clerk, and city attorney, all shared heartfelt thanks and goodbyes as the city transitions to its newly elected members. The city clerk also swore in newly elected city councilwoman Sharon Kalani, as well as council members George Chen and Mike Griffiths. You can catch all of the replays of the entire meeting and on our channel tomorrow and at 10 p.m. and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 8 p.m. You can also watch the entire meeting on City Cable's YouTube channel. The city has begun installing hygiene stations or hand washing stations at various parks throughout the city. Beginning with Wilson Park, you'll also find them at Columbia, McMaster, and Victor Park, as well as the Plunge. The next set of hand washing stations will be installed at Torrance, Lago Seco, and Walteria Parks. These are portable hand washing stations to help promote good hygiene. The Torrance Kiwanis Club showed their appreciation to the Torrance Police Department today. Members stopped by the police station to deliver nearly 50 pizzas. Club members teamed up with local business Lamppost Pizza. This is the first of many meal donations the club is planning as a way to make sure first responders in the community are supported, as well as local businesses during this time. They will also be teaming up with other local restaurants in coming weeks. Lamppost is also open for takeouts and delivery through Postmates. And at the end of each program, we'd like to share your story of how you and your family, friends, and local businesses are all surviving this health crisis. Whether it's something fun to pass the time or something special you're doing in the community or just something cool you saw, please tell us about it. Today, we want to share a thank you note from one of our Cares to Go participants. Joe said, "Thank you and salute the city employees and who staff the Torrance Cares to Go program, and especially to those delivering the groceries to our homes. We have received staples we could not otherwise get and have been able to stay home as a result. #well done." Thank you, Joe, for tagging the city of Torrance in this note of gratitude. Also, we want to share a photo of one of our city employees picking up their prepackaged Cares to Go grocery bag. This week, the Cares to Go program began phase 2, allowing city employees to purchase one of these essential bags. We love seeing these great photos and videos that are being sent to us. Please keep them coming so we can share your story of how Torrance cares. Email us at covid19today@torranceca.gov if you have questions or just want to share. And stay informed by signing up at torranceca.gov/Torrance alerts and subscribe to the city's Facebook page. Well, that's our update for COVID-19 today. We hope you'll join us again tomorrow at 4 p.m. as Ben McCain joins us to bring you all the latest COVID-19 updates. Stay safe, be healthy, and thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.